Do you need a real estate license to start wholesaling houses? And the answer to that question is no, you do not. What is wholesaling houses? So wholesaling houses is simply getting a contract to buy a piece of real estate and then you're selling your contract. You're not selling the house. There are many real estate attorneys that will side with what I'm saying. You do not need a real estate license to wholesale a property. You do not need a real estate license to sell a contract. But you got to keep in mind, there is a very thin line between brokering without a license and selling houses. You do not want to publicly advertise a house for sale. You do not want to say you're selling a house. You're not selling the house. You're selling the contract. Where many wholesalers go wrong with this business, they go out and they start looking for the houses first. They start looking for the deals first. You don't want to do this. This is going to force you to advertise these contracts on social media, to put them on Craigslist, to put them on Facebook. You don't want to put these houses that you get under contract and advertise them for sale. That is brokering without a license. What you're going to want to do is build a massive buyers list first. Building a list of buyers is a way to build your connections and your partners up in this business. When you get a contract to buy a house, you can advertise that contract to your network of buyers. So it's really important that you build a buyers list first before you do anything else. There are a lot of states that are literally making it illegal for you to wholesale a house without a license, but they're making it illegal for you to assign a deal. If you want to go ahead and buy the property first and then sell it through a double close, that's perfectly legal in these states. But again, you do not want to advertise the contract publicly. If you want to jump into wholesaling, but you don't have a license and you want to make sure you go on the right track and actually do this business the right way without getting in trouble, text me here. I have over 200 students that have gone through my mentorship program that are successfully closing deals virtually and traditionally in their own backyard.